Hi, welcome to The Cleaning Habit. I'm Michelle and today I'm going to show you how to clean stainless steel appliances. But before that, I'm going to remind you that there are a few things we need to avoid. We can't use chlorine bleach, steel wool, or steel brushes to clean this type of material. These can be very damaging to stainless steel. What we can use instead is a soft sponge or a microfiber cleaning cloth. Here are the things that we need to prepare: vinegar in a spray bottle, olive oil, and a microfiber cleaning cloth or a soft sponge. Spray the surface liberally with vinegar. Vinegar is an inexpensive cleaning solution for stainless steel, and it's safe too. Wipe parallel to the grain of the steel. The tiny lines that you see is the grain of the steel. We need to clean parallel to the grain to avoid scratching its surface. After cleaning, put a little bit of oil onto the cloth to keep the steel shiny. I hope we were able to help you today. For more DIY home cleaning tips, you can visit us on our website at www.thecleaninghabit.com. You can also follow us on our Facebook page and subscribe to this channel. Happy cleaning!